Hi students, today we are going to observe the prepared slides of binary fission in amoeba yeast and budding in yeast hydra. Objective to study binary fission in amoeba yeast and budding in yeast hydra with the help of prepared slides. Materials that are required: compound microscope, prepared slides of binary fission of amoeba yeast, prepared slides of budding in yeast hydra, notebook and pencil. Take a prepared slide of binary fission in amoeba, place this permanent slide of amoeba under the microscope and observe it. During this fission, the nuclear division takes place first, followed by the division of the parental cell, cytoplasm. The nucleus of adult amoeba divides into two nuclei by a amitotic division, and cytoplasm also divides into two parts and forms two daughter amoeba. To observe binary fission in yeast, take a permanent slide of yeast and place under microscope. The nucleus of mother yeast cell divides into two parts and a transverse partition wall is formed in the middle of the mother cell, which divides into two parts. These cells are separated from each other and two independent yeast cells are formed. To observe budding in yeast, take a permanent slide of budding in yeast and place under microscope. During favorable conditions, a small bud-like outgrowth initiates at one end of the parental cell and enlarges in size. The nucleus also enlarges and divides into two parts. One part goes into the bud and the other remains in the parental cell. To observe the budding in hydra, take a permanent slide of hydra and place under microscope. During budding, a bulging on the body of hydra develops into new hydra, and after some time it separates from the body of parent and grows into a new hydra. We conclude that binary fission and budding are asexual methods of reproduction. Precautions: observe the slides first under low power and then high power of microscope. Do not break the slides. Based on these permanent slides observation of amoeba and yeast, I pose few questions. What are some examples of binary fission? Anyone guess the answer? Organisms like amoeba, bacteria, euglena exhibit binary fission. Which cells are responsible for budding in hydra? The generative cells are responsible for budding in hydra. What is the difference between binary fission and budding? In binary fission, the division is similar, but in budding, division is dissimilar.